Okay, I believe it should be started now. So welcome to another Play Chess Bullet Banter. And just to make sure the preview is starting. Okay, let's go on the bullet. And a B3 to start with. Okay, let's unpin here. Is this a bit controversial? Can I put the knight back to go to F2? So D3, DE, knight C3, that sort of thing. Can I pre-move that? So, okay, I've got a bit of pressure, threatening knight takes E4 here, right? Let's kick this back though, just in case that's doing something that I'm not aware of. And now for the next trick, yes, over here, knight G4. I got some pressure on the king side. Which I don't know what to do with. So that was a bit of a retreat. Okay, let's take on D5. Hold on a sec. Take on D5. There's a check here. Oh, there's Rook D7. Oh, this looks quite fun, especially after that. Okay, got through the first game. That's always a bit tricky. This knight c6 and d5 isn't particularly fantastic, nevertheless. Can I get the chance for knight e4 and f5, I wonder? It's giving me that sort of binding possibility. Knights. Okay, this c file looks good as well for rook c8 now. So rook c8 and knight b4. Okay, h5 is probably a bit dangerous. Rook c3 for knight takes is interesting. Try and keep the things closed over here. Okay, opening up this diagonal. That's interesting as well. Okay, rook c3 is also a possibility. Yeah, no, this is counterintuitive to block the bishop. I just wanted to support e4 for a moment. Okay, I'll take there. That's been offered, it seems. That pinned pawn on b2 is not helping c3. So, can I double the rooks and then rook c2? Okay, knight takes d4. Okay. This is still, I think, quite a few pawns. I'm grabbing quite a few pawns here. I think this is enough pawns to grab. Looks like a very strong exchange sack indeed. There's an army of pawns. That was a panic. Okay. We seem to be playing the same person, Stemmer. I think for the next game, Stemmer, I might have bought it just to try and get a tiny bit of variety. It wouldn't go amiss. Tiny bit of variety. So e5 would try and win the queen. If I open up the d file, bishop takes and rook takes, it's probably worth it. At the moment, I think this Morphy binds construction, maybe with g file, is fun as long as that doesn't compromise the king too much. Whoa, hang on, this is a little bit scary. Am I compromising my king? I was hoping, oh, hang on. No, this is getting scary. This is getting well scary with a loose piece there. Tapping into that. Okay, I'm in scary waters now. Scary waters. Okay. Indeed. Oh, he's giving me the exchange there. For some reason. This diagonal looks scary. Everything looks a bit scary at the moment. Awkward. Ah, that helps me a bit. I believe that makes things more cozy looking than before. Oh, I'm giving back the exchange because I don't really know what to do. Oh dear. Can I go to F6? Oh, I better start moving quickly. Otherwise it will be time loss. Alright, can we get someone else though? He's quite dangerous actually. Bigger Bang? Some sort of nickname like that. Pre-moving a bit. Try and get some clock advantage. 5-second clock advantage. H4. Oh, what's this? Hang on a sec. That's a free pawn, isn't it? Oh, there's Queen C4 as well. Hitting F7. Okay. Is there some sort of queen sack available? My back row is vulnerable. I sense vulnerability. Okay, the queen's a little bit more central there. Okay, that's a long way to go to end up on E4. Ah, Rook G3 frat. Oh, nasty. Pinned that pawn. Okay, I can accept an exchange of pieces or not. Oh, F2 is okay. It's still secure. F2 at the moment. Rook D7 is maybe something. I don't know what the server's whistling about. Rook D7. Okay, Rook D7. Queen. Rook over here. Okay, that's getting close on the clock, and I'm not really knowing what I'm doing there actually. So, okay. Oh, what's happening here? Let's take here, and then Bishop G5, a castle with check. Put this bishop back. Put some pressure. Oh, I was going to put some pressure there. Still, can I put some pressure on E5 like this, or am I going into a pin now? I'm hoping pawns will be fragmented a little bit as an outcome here. Is that an outcome? The pawns are fragmented a tiny bit. Bishop G2 and knight D4 to F5. Maybe, if nothing else. Maybe activate a rook by default here though. Okay, I'll take there. Activate the bishop. Who's taking? Opens up the bishop. Gives me the E4 square for the knight. Although black's kind of fortressy, unless there's really. Oh, hang on. Well, there's knight F6 here for rook E5. Not that fortressy, is it? No, this pawn's too dangerous. Hold on a sec. hang on. He's got a very dangerous pawn here. Do I keep... Yeah, let me bring my king towards that. Mega danger. Oh, this is very troublesome, isn't it? Can I play c4 when he's not looking? Alright, I just want to grab rook f1 without his king entering into position because I want king e3. Right, can I grab this pawn now? Is this promising now? A little bit of subtlety needed there. 4-second clock advantage. What can I do with that? Anything? Ah. Over here with the rook. Oh, just on the buzzer. On the buzzer there, that was really intense. These are not really easy games. What's happening here? This is analysis mode. Let's try again. So this is King's Engine style, well, King's Engine attack. Okay. So bishop, oh, knight takes e5 maybe. Knight takes e5. Bishop f4. Knight d6. And do this. e5 for knight c6. e5 for knight c6. Or not. I think e5 is still okay for knight c6. Well, I'm forking. I was resigned. Go for the rematch. I'll accept if I can. Okay, I think there's a rating glitch. I don't think I've dropped that many points in the previous game. Okay, what's the issue? Yeah, that was actually a good point. The way he's played it is I think it was really quite annoying. Except here, he's run the ground here with this continuation. Although I've just put my king in the wrong place. Maybe it doesn't matter.
Draw.
Oh crikey, he's off at a draw. Oh. Oh, I'm in trouble here now. Maybe I should have considered that draw offer. I'm in a little bit of bother here with c6s and stuff. Does he plays c6 to win my kingside pawns, no? Well, I thought earlier. There's a pass pawn here, at least.
Draw.
Oh. No! No! Ah! Yeah. Oh, draw stalemate. I got a draw anyway. How many moves did he make there? There must be an increment on this. Unless his pre-moves are perfect. There must be an increment here. Okay. Stalemate. A bit of luck with the stalemate. Didn't lose 6 million points. Probably. I'm playing for d4 here. Okay, this is good for surely. Okay, oh, I wanted to kick that before e5. I wanted to kick it back. Now there's e5. That's just great. So he's going to pill my kingside to bits. Is that it? Yeah, I get the picture. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Don't know. Am I getting demolished first? There's rook a3 maybe. Okay, I think you might have underestimated rook a3. There's two different mates here. There's b2 mate as well as queen b1. He slightly underestimated. I thought my speed of attack wasn't that good. Let's have this rematch he wants. Trying to undermine this d4 pawn. It's a centre pawn, after all. Okay, pawn grabbing. I'll do another pawn grab. Is it too risky? I think it's a bit risky, you know. Actually, I'm a few seconds down. Rook g7, that's good. All of a sudden, he's let my rook and queen combine on the 7th rank, and I'm already targeting g7. So that's pretty good news, I would say. Winning queen with check. Winning house. Okay, bit of luck there. Let's d5 this Gambit I played before. He hasn't accepted it. Okay. So what does this mean? Let's give me a knight there. There's a pre-mover. There's a pre-mover alert. Bit of a pre-mover. Queen c2. Looks like a nice bind on the light squares. a3 and okay, this knight on e4 first, and okay, how does he take here? Queen b3 for c5, rook d1 maybe. looks pretty. Does it do anything? No, I'll protect c4 instead. Kick the queen. c5 incoming, surely. No, 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 no. Kick the queen out of... Yeah. Maybe get my king on light square away from his bishop in particular. Keep a blockade situation. Maybe just h4, g4. Okay, I can have that exchange. G4 or not. Maybe just hold f3 for a bit. Okay. There is knight f2 offering exchange of queens. If he doesn't, or maybe g4 here. Just force the queens off if I can, or not. FG is rook f2, queen d3. I have to be careful. Oh, I managed to lose on time. I was trying to check in there. I managed to lose that on time. Whoops. Okay, there goes about 30 rating points. I was actually a bit conscious of the clock. I thought the check pre-moves, but they didn't work as well as I thought they might. It's a shame. Alright, so I shouldn't try and get anywhere near that 0 mark, basically, because it's very high risk. Try and be a few seconds up on what I need, maybe. What I think I need. So I'm a few seconds up on what I think I need, but the position is difficult. So I'm going to lose a bishop on the exchange or something. Or maybe not. Oh, no, 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 that's not great. Oh, there's f4 as well. Let's stop these checks. Let's stop this rook to the 7th. Oh, there's knight d6. I think things go here. This pawn can be stopped, surely. Is it ending? It looks very promising. Made it a bit more difficult than I needed to. Okay. It's tango. I don't mind the pawn sack. It removes this f3 knight, which is quite often leads to some practical difficulty in a bullet game. For some reason I just sense I had good results with this sort of gambit. There's bishop g4 on castling to win the exchange. Okay, can I now? Oh, this is a nice blockade. The blockading knight holds f7. Can I kick that? Wait, okay, knight d4. Is that dangerous? I might have to undouble his pawns to create different exploitable kind of weaknesses. If I undouble the pawns, that's often something interesting to do. Okay, c5 is actually a concern. Yeah, g4 could be very handy for f3. Now maybe. Okay, rook g2 is very interesting for combining on b2. This is not doing anything just yet. Okay, it's a pin at least. It's not even a pin really. Okay, I take care. Oh, there's queen d1. Oh, there was queen d1. I'm playing a bit controversially now. Mind you, he didn't have much time. Okay. So is there knight e4? No, there isn't. There's kind of lock and key over the e4 square. I have to reinforce f5. Can I play for like knights coming to c4 here? So knight a5 to c4. So h6 and kind of, okay, if he plays b3, maybe there's knight a3. Oh, why don't I just take the knight? Whoa, I'm going to take the knight. Okay. I gave him a chance, clearly. So rook b8, b4, though, incoming. Attack. Oh, I've definitely taken that now. I don't believe this attack he's just done. Surely I can get a good position here with, say, knight takes and then bishop f5. That bishop's not doing much. What is this about? Let's take that. Take that. Okay. Now there is potentially rook e4 for knight d2. He could play rook. No, this doesn't. Well, it's knight d2 anyway. Okay, it looks as though I've got a clock advantage. Okay. This is quite aggressive to play in a bullet game with f5 pawn structure, I find. Knight can swing over here. Is he taking en passant, I wonder? No, he doesn't. Okay, so he keeps a nice blockade for me. This rook f6. Was there knight g3? On h3 there's knight g3. I wonder if I can play bishop d7. Well, there's knight g3 as mentioned. I can win the exchange. Probably play rook f3 if he's not careful. So what does he do? Oh, it's bishop. I think he's crumbling. Bishop h3. I think he's crumbling. Crumbling alert. Crumbling alert. I think he's crumbling here because I've got natural double rooks. Probably want a rematch, right? No rematch request. Okay. Got a few rating points there. Can I just support e5? So knight c6, and then whoa, this looks very promising. Can I just hit the queen and knight b4? That will go in for knight c2 here. So I'll just take here. Maybe queen b6. Maybe d5. Knight moves back. d5. Try and use this c file. Or maybe not. Okay, what about knight c5? Then there's knight b3. If I have knight c5, I have knight b3. Okay, I'll mark that b3 square. I think rook c8 and queen takes b5. So queen takes b5 looks to be a threat. Okay, he's parrying that. What about knight d2 if I make that bishop go away? No, he's parrying that as well. Very good. Alright, I'm finding this interesting so far. Yeah. So e4, just e4 break looks good for e3. Okay, this looks good now. Yeah, this looks as though e2 is dangerous. Mind you, maybe it's not. Oh, it would have been if he played rook f2. Yeah, he had rook f2. Okay. Let's this tango again. Let's check to try and get a pawn on c3. I think knight f6, castle, rook e8, bishop f8 plan, just to put this bishop here. So I've seen this bishop b4 check plan in a game of Magnus Carlsen, actually a blitz game. I thought it was quite interesting to put that pawn on c3. Quite interesting plan. So bishop g7, bishop e5 maybe is a nice sort of blockade on the dark squares. So maybe something like queen d7, knight f4, queen h3 is a plan. I'm not sure it's that easy. Oh, hang on. There's something with the pins knight going on here as well as queen h3. I think queen h3 is the bigger concern because I'll be mating on g2. I think that's the bigger concern. He has to play queen takes f4, surely. It's the only move. Otherwise, that's doomed. Okay. Smith-Morra Gambit with a big difference. I've not seen this one before. Wow. What's going on here? Like, this is chaos. This is chaos. Whoa. The king's still in the centre. Is a8 dropping? I want to castle myself sometime. Now, there's bishop a3, potentially. I'll play the check first, because his king's clinging on to the queen. So, yeah. Yeah. Brutal. Okay. So, what sort of game is this? Scotch game or something? Whatever it's called. So bishop d3, I castle, I play for e5. Unless he's playing d5 in one shot. Can I get a knight to g3? Maybe I get a knight to g3, or use the f file. Is he going to give me this? I mean, g file. Is he going to give me the g file? Volunteers the g file. That road to his king. Yes, he does. That could be a something of interest. Maybe knight f5. Although I'm not sure exactly. Oh, hang on. Again, I'm not sure exactly what my point is, though. If he repeats, he repeats, because he hasn't got. Okay, let's take this. Try and weaken his dark squares. So try and parry queen h3, but he's got knight h5. He's got knight h5. Oh, that gets a bit nasty. I think I'll just give him that to take control of f4. I wanted control of f4. I've still got the h file. Oh, that knight's too strong as well. Alright, I'm a bit in trouble. I feel. Hold on. Let's at least try and control these light squares. Now, bishop h7 or queen d3 or rook f6. Okay. Hang on, there was bishop h7 there. Why didn't I think of that? I think I'm in trouble there, actually, in that final position. Swiftly moving along. So, yeah, that looks like a nice positional setup from my opponents. This double pawns. Have I got f4, f5 at the minimum pawn break perspective? Trying for this f5, even if, okay, my king's a little bit exposed, but I got this bishop pair. Can I like try and get the queen to g3 for rook h1 and then f5? Oh, he has got bishop h4. He's probably going to use bishop h4 just to be annoying. Okay. I've still got f5 on the cards, which gives me h6 access. Oh, okay. Has my f5 done anything constructive? Well, it seems as though he might have slipped up a tiny bit. This looks interesting. Although, no, I'm not convinced. Oh, no, I'm not convinced. Now I'm happier. Now we're cooking with gas, I think. Cooking with gas, finally. Okay, that was very tricky. Very tricky. C3. I'll go back here. So the usual move is bishop c5. d6 to cover c7 there. This rook e8 and bishop f8 business again makes that e5 lock come about. So now knight, maybe knight e5. Actually, okay. Can I put the bishop here or b5? b5. He's pre-moved. Pre-move disaster. Pre-move disaster. Okay. Oh, the froms. Whoa, whoa. Okay, kind of weird froms interpretation. Unusual, rather. Okay, so rook e1, and well, that's a bit strange, isn't it? Okay, I have to be careful. That is queen's h4. It was anyway. So I can take you now. Okay, central undermining, sort of. My queen's probably in trouble. Hang on, let's just move away. slightly wary about this position. Maybe king h7 or queen d3, though. It's not so bad now. King h7, queen d3. Just to control, not have loose bits if their pawns are pieces. Try and reduce my loose bits. Bishop h6, though. Is he gonna... I'm hitting his queen again. Maybe queen g3, pin, knight h4, pin and win. Knight h4 gives knight f3. Okay. Can I do this g6? Okay, try and hold this d4 square. And play for f5. I'll stop bishop c5 first. It's kind of annoying when they play bishop c5. So just want to play like knight h4, I believe. Then bishop h3. Then use the g file. Something like this. Use this g file. So rook g8 incoming. There's queen f3 here, the way he's playing it. Otherwise he loses the rook. Okay, that's a bit of luck. There were better ways for him to play this. Okay. Let's go here, yeah, knight g3. Put the knight back. I think rook e1 for bishop d5. Okay, he's got the form pawn. He's got the dreaded form pawn. I should be worried now. The dreaded form, the power of the form pawn. I have to unfawn this position if I can. So bishop f4. Can I unfawn or not? Yeah, sitting there, goal hanger alert. Just sitting there waiting for a queen to land on g2. Okay. Yes. Can I win the bishop the way he's played king e7? It looks as though I'm winning the bishop with c5. That looks strange. Okay. He's resigning with the form pawn. I survived the wrath of the form pawn. Okay, so knight e7. I think this is stable enough. Or is it? Find out pretty soon. Knight d4, capture towards the centre a bit more. Maybe not swap on d5 just yet. Can I just try and activate my pieces a little bit? His d5 control is strong here. So yeah, it's a little bit on the dodgy side, this position at the moment. I wonder if there isn't knight b2 or something. Knight b2. No, I don't think that was helpful actually. Oh, I think knight b2 was a ridiculous move, putting me in tactical trouble a bit. But on the other hand, rook b8 doesn't seem entirely bad. Okay, hitting the queen. Let's take that pesky knight, hit the queen again, and hit the queen again because I don't know what to do. Hit the queen again. I was protected. Okay. Oh, h4, h5 is invited. In a bullet game, it can be pretty dangerous. Oh, okay, okay. I'm not going to think too much about sacking pieces here. So bishop e3. Oh, let's blunt this f5 bishop for a laugh. Castle queenside. After bishop e3. He's not going to give me the g file as well, is he? Yes. Okay. This means rook g6, rook h6 is on the cards here. So can I just do this for bishop g5 check? This seems good enough. Just to not allow queen h7 though. I'm not taking here. I'm going to take the queen. This looks rather crushing, but maybe I'm wrong. Okay. Bishop g7 coming up. Oh right. Okay. The game continues. Hang on. I don't want a fierce counter-attack here. Let's just win an exchange while I'm about it. Oh, queen e7 would have won the rook. Let's not panic too much. Alright, these counter-attack days are over. Oh, trying to win my queen. Rather cheeky, that early bishop g5 in a bullet game. Can catch one with naughty pre-moves and lose the queen. Okay. Still on the board, thankfully. Oh. What is that? Is that piece sack? What is this? It looks actually a little bit on the dangerous side for me. On the other hand, isn't his c5 a bit loose? We protected that. His c5 is attacked. So what does he do about c5? Nothing? Much? Okay, he's opening up my king. I'm sure he has naughty intentions here. I might give back a piece. Or there's queen f2 anyway. Isn't there, by the way, oh, didn't I miss, no, maybe I didn't miss anything. If rook takes queen f1, if queen takes, I'm sure he's not happy being a piece down here, but I'm down on the clock. I'll take the rook there, that really does help. Okay, I think I'm going to go on that note. Okay, yeah, 1 fun, 10 boring. Didn't lose that many, I think I lost 1 on time. It was a fun session. I enjoyed it anyway, so I hope you did. And see you next week for this amazing bullet chess experience. Okay. Alright, yeah. Alright. Thanks very much. Cheers then.